serious question. Where this look like to you in Jamaica?
Duns River.
Duns River, no. Tell me what this look like in Jamaica.
YS Falls.
Oh no. And probably I think no, going through.
YS Falls.
Where you say? No man, this entire place, the falls and everything, walking and through. Walking like this. Yeah man, Somerset Falls. Somerset Falls.
Yes.
Yeah, this look just like Somerset Falls family. Guy, you know this there someone blood clot, the bamboo and all kind of thing. Yeah. Ja, Rastafari. Yeah man, yeah. But when you say this all there someone, blood clot natty. Yeah man.
At the foot of the waterfall.
Yeah. Big things are going. In the middle of Nairobi, this family, me I tell you no say yo. Link up with Jam Tours. Jam Tours Africa. Yeah man.
We go for a top of waterfall,
Eh?
we have to go round. I think we climb up. I think we climb up.
Yo, look on this. This is the Mogumo tree, you know.
Yeah.
The Mogumo tree is a secret tree, you know.
Yeah.
And this is where it says Mau Stone Age Caves.
Right now, telling you.
Yeah, family. So this is actually the fig tree. Grow like this and a cave. Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So me I telling you say, yo, Jam Tours there. We there.
Wow, look at this face. How mad is this?
Yeah, family. So we're at a place called Paradise Lost. And this look just like Somerset Falls in Jamaica. Somerset Falls.
Wow,
And if you come here, so come spend the entire day. Yo, Ricardo, let me catch you up on the camera. Yo, me have a quiz for you, you know. Me have a quiz. Let me see if I can get it right. Which part this look like in Jamaica? Which part?
Those River Falls.
No, man. Guess again.
And a Portland here, sir.
Eh?
For the Portland, those River Falls. Look to those river.
Yeah, man, this look just like Somerset Falls.
I was going to say
Somerset Falls.
Somerset Falls.
Yeah, man, yeah, family. So, Jam Tours there.
The water is more cleaner though.
Yeah, but does the atmosphere and how the place set up like this? Yeah? Yeah, man. Somerset Falls. Somerset Falls. Yo, go up there. Bombo clap! Yo, what sweet you're going so are you? Blood clot, natty. Yeah, family, so we're there. Somerset Falls. Yeah, man. Trust me. It's a good look. Yeah, man, we need a nice picnic. Yeah, you can walk. Yeah, man. And go under the water, right? So, you know, you're from come Nairobi, me not touch no water, you know, man, you. Me not touch no water, you know. So, me have to come back here, so, with my shorts and go under the... Eh? No beach? Yeah. Yeah. We're going to talk to Kia and make sure run up some people. And we're going to come. And something. Yeah, man. I say, you know, the Jamaican buys food pan the river already. Pan the river, pan the bank. Kick out your foot, look at your foot, there's no crack. Pan the river. The flag, we are going to hug the flag. Yeah, man. This is a vibe. This is our vibes. I will be coming back here to all our vibes. So when we are coming, so.
I came here the first time to climb up this just to do it.
Eh? Yo, next time you have to do that.
No, what I'll do is carry me there. Lord God, me see a marrow fly out.
Yeah, family. So this is it, family, and that is it. This is it. I think this was like a sinkhole, you know. Not glad. I don't think I can walk on top of that. Let's see. Slippery. Not slippery. Alright, step in that, let me see. Me hold you if you are sink.
Which one?
That, step on it.
I don't hold it, it's a normal ground.
A normal ground? Normal ground.
Solid.
Everything solid. Everything solid. Yeah, babe. I'm at the Paradise Lost. Which problem? Oh. Is what? What question you ask her? Yeah, family, so we're at the cave. So let's actually do this at the cave. This is what the cave look like, family. Paradise Lost. Wanna come and wash off my blood clot self under this soon. Family, so this is what the cave look like. You can go all the way up, all the way inside like this. How far it go?
You go a little distance still, but
Yeah, fam.
claustrophobic because it's small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, family, so we are actually leave the falls and now, as you can see the falls. Yeah, Ricardo, what do you think about the falls?
The fall, man. It's good.
It's good.
Place is natural.
Yeah.
Natural here, no chemical, no toxin, no toxic.
Yeah.
The atmosphere is good. Green scenery.
Yeah.
As you can look, you can see plants, trees.
Yeah.
It's just like natural.
It's just like nature in the city.
Nature in the city.
Yeah, because it's like 5-10 minutes drive to come here, sir. 15 minutes, yeah.
No, well, depends on where you're coming from.
Where you're coming from.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you live around, it will be 5 minutes or less.
Yeah.
In the city, it will be 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So, as you can look around and see for yourself, waterfalls is there.
Yeah.
If you want to feel, for people are stressed,
Yeah.
I want to feel relief.
Yeah, man, this is the best place.
This is the best place to come.
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
why?
yeah.
Other from Jamaica, because Jamaica is the right place because the water is more beautiful.
Yeah.
And the water is cool and the place is hot.
Yeah.
But here, look at here. You
Yeah,
can
look.
sit right under the falls
Right under the falls.
and let the water beat on your body.
Beat on your body, yeah.
So if you have a man at home and that is no massage,
Yeah.
a woman that is no massage, they can come right here.
Right here.
Yeah, just sit down right under the falls, let the water beat on your body.
Yeah, man. Yeah, family, so that is it for the cave. And we actually come late. Right now, Mr. Harris, we never come like all in the daytime.
Yeah.
And bring some juice.
It's late now.
Did I bring some juice?
Camp out.
Yeah, man. All right, family. Like, share.
Link up to the summer club, you have a camp.
You have a camp? Yeah.
Email or Google or whatever.
Yeah.
Camp event here.
Yeah, reggae flavors via jam tours.
Yeah.
Camp.
Camp.
Yeah, man.
You have jerk chicken, you have juice,
Everything.
you have snack,
Everything.
overnight camp.
Overnight camp,
Be ready.
family. Be ready. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts. We are out of the Paradise Lost. Night I come here now, it a get dark. But it was a great experience. And we enjoyed it.
Yo, whatever. Alright, yeah,
Yeah.
see you up as well.
We all say them there. Bridget gone already?
Bridget.
She got... Yeah, family. So, Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. We are out.
Bridget.
Yeah, family. So we have like a little stream. A little stream here. River stream. Go and go wash it down the stream. Paulina must dream you the dream. Go and go wash it down the stream. Yeah, family. So we're getting out of the falls and the cave.
That's how you walk.
Yes, so we walk.
Yeah, I'll keep saying so we walk. So I'm
Yeah.
gonna stick up.
Yeah. Zipline. Yeah, nobody, we can walk here and go all the way over there, you know.
When you cross over, me see it safe, then me know me can go.
No man, it's safe, it's safe. It's safer than CFX. safer than safe sex.
Safe.
Yeah, family, so we are there actually back on the lake, you know. And this is how it look, the water. So this is where the water get the lake from, you know.
Yeah,
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the water?
Yeah, from the waterfall. So you come all the way from the family and come running at this.
Although you
And we have the lake.
Funny,
Fresh water, yeah. Yeah, man,
If
yeah.
you continue this way,
Yeah.
you go to where the zip line end.
Ah, zip line. So let's go over there now.
It have a next. It have a next.
Let's go. So
Yeah.
we can get confident.
It have a next. It have a next thing around there. It have a next picnic here around there.
Eh, okay.
Right.
Yo.
Today, anyway,
Yeah, the place, blood clot, big man. Yo, what that? Dasheen or cocoa or dash? Eh,
What's your name?
eh.
Don't scratch up.
Oh yeah. Scratch your throat.
You can use and give the pigs. You can feed them.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is like a day event. In Bridget, this is like a day event. Not true. We come late. Yeah, we should come like all from in the morning hours. Come with some food and juice.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. Go on, man. Yeah, we got a snake. Yo, me catch something viral for the internet.
Yeah, look for me now with the
Yeah.
But here one now, me I look down and me just take so me check out and where you tap say. Cause me I look down all the time.
Yeah, fam, this is a good one. I'm gonna make this video. Go on, man, let's write this someone.
I use some Garvey, that's why I catch No, and you left me to all you have to do is stay by me. Move me just jump. So that if anything can kick him in the face.
Yeah, family, so we're there and we go to the nature walk. You're going at the zip line section. Bring her up your back now, Al.
Then you're not going to breathe today.
Jackie back right. Jump up, Bridget, man. Jump up. Go on. Come, Bridget, man. Come, go on.
Oh my God! You guys
Yeah. Well, same time, 7 years in the 7 years in the wilderness.
Yeah, I'm going back to
Oh, that's so nice. Look at that.
What?
You never want to come, we're not about to go.
Yeah, family, so we're there. And that's how the zip line.
Yeah, we there.
And that's how we there.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, man, over here, so.
Wow. And this year we take the people them.
Yeah, man, jam tours. Jam
It's
tours.
beautiful.
We can't come back at night.
Oh my
Yeah, man,
God.
yeah.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, man, jam tours. We're there, family.
But you know the last time we come, we never in
Picture. Yeah.
Last time we come,
You never there so far.
so close to the...
Yeah. We say it's a good place to sit, relax, my beat some juice and eat some food.
I tell you,
Yeah, man.
You know,
Yeah.
picture we can take now.
Yeah.
Just jump up.
Yeah. Where's the record? You want to jump?
I might have an anaconda in there.
Yeah, family, so there you sit down and you see the view, family. You see the view.
Okay, I'll ask them what they think about the place.
Eh?
That's the
I'll
problem.
ask them.
Yeah, ask, yeah, man, yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah, which part?
Yeah.
They were stronger than these are the local.
No. I just don't like.
Yeah, you don't like that. It's alright, it's cool, it's cool.
I'm not from here.
But
Yeah,
he's-
okay, okay.
oh,
From where?
He's
I'm
high.
Nigerian.
He's
Oh,
high.
Nigerian, yeah, man. Oh, West African.
Hello.
We are family. Wow.
He's hiding from the government.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Respect my brother, man. One love. God bless.
That's right.
You Kenyan, okay, yeah.
Nigerian, Kenya, Jamaican.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Nigerian in her, so.
Yeah.
Jamaican, yeah.
See, we're
Yeah.
Your
family.
sister
Our
don't know the
cousin.
voice.
Cousin all day long, every day.
Don't know.
Yeah, family. We have some Nigerian brothers and sisters in the place. It's a good look.
Check it out.
Jam Tours Africa.
Jump tours. Jump tours.
Yeah, Jam Tours Africa. Yeah, man.
I
Yeah.
watch this guy Rasmoko. You know
Yeah,
that
Rasmoko,
guy
yeah,
who-
from St. Thomas, the man. Yeah, cook the food. Yeah, you see,
Rasmoko?
yeah, so the Canadian man take over the man thing, man, and rip off the man. Blood clot.
Yeah.
The man take over. The man come to Jamaica and come build an entire buy our land.
Yes.
That's Moko.
The man take
The white boy.
the white boy. Eh? A culture vulture, them man. Culture
Oh, yes.
vulture.
Them see no-
Culture
and make money.
vulture.
Make money off of it.
Yeah. Yeah, family. This is Jam Tours Africa. One love. God bless. I'm out.
You need to have an understanding of what's going on there, you know?
Yeah. We're family, so.
It's nice right here. Oh my gosh, this is a nice place to bring as a picnic.
Yeah, man, a nice place to chill, man. Never come here so all the time to get it.
Uppercut in them guts.
Big up there.
You know me have to tap this up there. I have to tap them. You know we are gonna gunshot and shut it down.
Watch it, man.
Yeah?
What? Uppercut in them guts. Tune in. Jam tour.
Jam Tours, we
Channel
out.
coming out next week.
Yes, the reggae
One
flavors.
Love, yeah, reggae flavors, but one love Ricardo.
Yeah, man.
Look
Yeah,
out.
yeah, family. What we are gonna do? We are come one day. We are catch the fish or so. Or you put a grill or so. Or you gonna grill the fish.
Right,
What you say, reggae flavors?
We're going to come here with an igloo, a big igloo with
Yeah,
juice,
yeah,
a next box with snacks, and we're going to come with some grill. We're
yeah,
going to go fishing,
yeah,
catch our own fish,
yeah.
and then we're going to catch a fish fresh, clean him in the river, just like it is in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Catch a fish and clean him on the riverside. You catch a fire right here, grill him right here.
And what you call that in Jamaica? What would I say in Jamaica? Boom. Yo,
See, nearly drop
yeah,
off.
yeah. What we call that in Jamaica?
Wow, we catch fish and grill outside.
Eh.
No, a riverside cooking.
No man, catch and cook.
You can't call it catch and cook. Call it catch and cook.
Yeah, family, we there at Paradise last, and we almost
In other
last.
words, we found
Paradise.
Paradise, yeah.
But they have paradise last, but we found paradise right here in
Yo.
Kenya.
So let me ask you another Jamaican
Paradise in
question.
Kenya.
What this remind you of Jamaica? Paradise lost.
Paradise found.
What you say?
Paradise Cove.
What you say?
We just obviously like Somerset Falls, yes.
And that's how it's
But
way.
you can say, me never
No,
say
no,
Paradise
just the
Cove
name
is
Paradise lost.
Paradise Lost.
Yeah.
Like what you remind me of in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica have a lot of attraction there. You can't
Let
think
me
of
just answer
one.
the phone. Lovers Leap. You know agree? Lovers Leap.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crevice.
Say, and a Lovers Leap.
Yeah.
And a
this
Lovers
is
Leap.
It reminds us of Lover's Leap.
Tell
It's
you,
beautiful.
remind me
Yeah.
of.
It's a very romantic
Yeah.
feel to it. It's relaxed. It's tranquility
Yeah.
at its finest. Right
Yeah.
here in Kenya. Where we're located, right here in Nairobi.
No, man, everything is allowed.
Cut out,
Come on, you can cut it out.
Yeah,
Come
cut
on.
it out.
Alright, I'm gonna come back now. Me introduce
If
you
David
to
is there.
Yeah, you hear much bad word that cuss.
Alright.
Blood clot. You hear bad word until you're dead.
Yeah, I get it now.
You can learn it as a Kenyan.
What classify a word as bad?
Well, it's just your mind, it's just people. And that's
I
it's just
feel
colonialism.
Old time ways.
You
Yeah,
remember
because,
when remember Peter
all blood clot come about.
they sitting where woman use under them?
Yeah,
No,
it's
no,
bad.
it was like the slave master, you know.
No,
The slave master,
no.
see the
No,
slave,
no,
the slave master, see the slave,
I'm doing a
and tell him to move your blood clot, move your bloody clot.
Yeah, you're right,
Yes,
right.
I move the bumbo clock. Because
I mean, put it in
because you know
back.
the slave used to have
can't
them.
understand that when a Jamaican say bombo,
It's
to
bad.
refer, no,
Bomb.
to refer to bomb, not bomb, bombo.
Okay, so here.
Bombo.
all right,
You never hear that? Up
So,
in here,
here, so
woman.
here, so here's what it is really mean.
Go ahead.
They used to hang the cloth, which used to be nappy.
Sanitary nappy. It's called bites now.
Yeah.
The
That piece of cloth, right?
Baby
Not
nappy.
baby nappy.
Orange sheet, white sheets from the bed. They cut it and they make
Yeah, I've seen
pads with
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So when they wash it, they would hang it on the line in the front of the yard.
Yeah.
And the slave master didn't like it, so he said, remove your blood
Clot.
clot from
From the
in
line.
on front of the house.
Yeah.
And that's how that word comes. So blood clot really is not a good word. It means a
But
woman
teach them everything.
blood flowing and the clot.
As in
It's
essence.
a period.
Well,
Yeah.
in essence, bombo clot, pussy clot, and blood clot actually means the same thing.
It's the same thing. It's
yeah,
all
yeah.
has to do with a vagina where a woman is seeing their menstrual. So please stop telling each other
And the
that word.
cloth is that sanitary.
Yeah,
Like,
sanitary
you know
pad.
so much about your tent.
Family, so as you guys know, it's night. We catch you boy there with the snake prank. I never try. Yeah, we don't make it up.
My goodness!
I tell you how you speak, man.
Wow!
Take you a while to acclimatize,
Yeah, family, so you know what I mean.
Step on the outside.
It's actually almost 7 hours, just to leave it to get dark. And we're still in our nature, we're still in our God. We never want to leave.
In a God and
So-
God in a way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we came late, but next time it's gonna be a blast. Today was just a preview. We just come to see what it like, to get the idea of things. And that's what you have to do. You have to spy out things first. Yeah. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Seems like I'm all alone. I sweat. My alone, I do all the work.
We walk here?
Walk on the dirt. Walk up there.
Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know about what you think about this Jam Tours video. And if you want to come on this tour with us, just let us know. We can take you around and show you around. I get to get this experience of nature, this experience of God. This experience of nature, this experience of God. One love, God bless. We are out.